Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a walkthrough of how to get Node working on Ubuntu 19. It's inspired by this video here, how to host your website for free. First things first, let's get some things clarified. I went ahead and downloaded this free template, HTML template, and I have created a folder. In that folder is a public folder, and you can see in the public, we go to cd public, you'll see that there is an index.html. That's the most important thing right there. So you can grab any HTML page and set it up as long as it has a public folder and an index.html, you are good to go. So let's go ahead and start with the next step. First, sudo apt-get install curl. Now obviously I have already done this, so I just show you what it looks like. And then we're going to get the latest Node, and this is the easiest way I've found so far, and believe me, I looked for quite a few. So go ahead and run that command. And it's all done. So we're good there. So clear. And now let me see if I can. Next step is to sudo apt-get install. Now if you center click on your mouse, you should just automatically paste, which it does. Hit enter, and you'll see that it's already installed, and we're good. Next step is to install Firebase. Again, I've already installed it, but I'm showing you what it looks like. So copy, and then in the terminal, just hit the center button and it pastes for you. Enter, and it's already done because it's already installed. Now cd to your directory where your public directory is located. Now let's go out, and you'll see that my public directory is right here. And you'll see that there's a firebase.json. That's because I've already run this script, but we'll show you what to do next. Let's go ahead and Firebase log in. I'm already logged in. And now what you need to do is go to the Firebase console, copy, and let's Control T, Control V, just take us to the console. I'm going to create a new project, YouTube landing, and it doesn't like YouTube landing, so BD872, let's remember that. Continue, and I'm not going to enable Google Analytics for this project, just don't, it's not part of this project. So it's going to create the project here. And then our next commands are going to be Firebase init, and then Firebase use, and then Firebase deploy, but I show you what happens in between. Okay, so don't need to really do anything. It's called YouTube landing, but that's not what it's going to show up here when we go and take a look. And I'll show you what that means. So here we are, Firebase login we have done. Now we're going to do Firebase init. And down here at the bottom, use the arrow keys and use the space bar to select. I'm going to host and enter. I want to use as your public directory. Yes, public. Configure as a single page. I'm going to say no to this, And file already exists. No, I'm not going to overwrite that. And initialization is complete. So we're good to go. Let's clear and get you back up on the top of the screen. And now, next step is Firebase use -- add. And now we need to remember which one we used last time, and that was BD872. Enter. What alias do you want to use? Doesn't really matter for me at this point. And now that is the alias, and the next step is to Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy. Hit the enter key. And now it's going to upload the 33 files. And there we go. Now, hopefully, if all went well, right click, or I'm going to open the link. If all went well, which it did, we now have a new landing page, just like that. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.